Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. I am here with Barbie yet again for another blind box opening. In today's video we are opening up these real little shoes that are supposed to be easy to use with Barbie. I think they're really supposed to be keychains, but they are super exciting. I'm really excited. I've seen so many people open them up with their channel. I wanted to do it. I'm ordered 6 of them, so we're going to do 6 today. I actually got these from Walmart today, so I'm really excited because I ordered 6 from Target, and even though they told me that they were delivered, I never actually received the package, so I have to give it 2 days before I report the package lost or stolen. Considering I was at the house the entire time and I was watching it and I was watching it being delivered and it never actually arrived, I am super PO'd, but whatever. Let's open the box. So today we are going to open up box number 1. I love the design of the packaging. It looks like little bags, so like you were shopping at the Real Little store and you ended up with some pair of shoes. I think that is adorable. I am really excited about it. My voice hurts. I actually did a cute voice in my last box opening, and I think I did something to my throat because I have been coughing up a storm since then. I think it just wasn't meant to be. Oh, well, these are not opening very well. I just didn't think it was meant to be, so I forgoed the cutesy voice, and now I am just seeing, oh, there's an ultra rare find. Ultra rare roller skates. I'm really excited about that. I really want roller skates. Let's see what we got. I did the blind ball opening of Mini Fashions and we ended up with 8 different bags to choose from, and they're perfect for Barbie. So here we go. We have this one. Is it taped? Yes, it is taped. Let's see. I want to keep the boxes because I think the boxes look super cute. So I'm just going to use an X-Acto blade to gently break the tape. Is there any tape on the other side? No. Alright. Let's see what we got for number 1. Ooh, look at that. I think I got skates. Ooh, I got skates my first try. Are these the ones that were saying? Oh, yeah. These are cool. Ooh, they don't light up, so that means that there's no packaging on the inside, but the hardware on the inside. Look, they work. Are they the ones that were? They are, guys. First box we opened, we got an ultra rare find. It says ultra rare. See, like if you look, it says ultra rare roller skates. Oh my god, we got the ultra rare roller skates in the first batch. Oh my god, my first box, and I got the ultra rare. I am just crazy. I'm going to get rid of the little keychain part because I don't really care for it. I plan to use these with Barbie, and I'm going to bring her over and we're going to see if they fit. I love roller skates. Okay, we have Barbie now. I'm going to take off one of her tennis shoes. She is a made-to-move Barbie doll. These shoes actually look a little too big for her, but that is fine. I really wanted them, and they fit nicely. So her feet are going to be a little bit loose in there. That's fine. Let's see if they come back out. Yep, they work. That is not bad. I'm excited about that. Oh my god. We now have roller skates and they roll. Ah. 5 more boxes? 5 more boxes left. Let's see what we get. I just discovered inside the box is a paper thing. So I think it's Marna. She calls them like the more to buy paper thing. They basically tell you this is what more you need to buy to get the things that you want. So it kind of gives you a little teaser. This is really neat. What did we get? Ooh, what do we have? We have So 80s Pastel. Ooh, I love the shocks. Those are cute. The pink ones. The pink and yellow. Bright Stripes reminds me of Gay Pride. I'm really excited about that one. Casual Cool looks super cool. Ooh, we got the Disco Rollers. So these are heels on wheels. No, it's not the Disco Rollers, because this is it the Disco Rollers? It looks different. I think we got the ultra rare. I'm gonna go with ultra rare. What do you think? Bling kicks. I think the bling kicks are the ones that are online, or the ones that actually bright up. I like this gold and glitter one. That sounds cool. I'm hoping out of the 5 that we have left, I'm hoping one of them is the shocks, and one of them is the rainbow stripes, and maybe the So 80s. Those are the top 3 that I want. Ooh, look for the limited edition light up roller skates. The light up roller skates are really cool, but because they light up, they have hardware on the inside, I heard, so your doll can't really wear them. Oh, okay, the ultra rare is the one with the star. Yep, ultra rare disco rollers. That was our first one. I'm super excited. I love roller skates. All right, let's see what else we got. Number 2, micro shoes inside. Ooh, I didn't realize what that said. Ooh, nice. What will you find inside? Yes, a blind box. What do we have? The box looks very similar to the other box, so you can't derive what it is, the shoe box. I'm going to cut it open. Yep. We pull out the cute little shoe box. Oh my god. We're going to take this because I like to keep my stuff looking super fly and nice, because I want to use it for decoration for my doll. So let's see. Let's open it up. What did we get? We got the leopard print. Oh, these remind me of, what is it called? Lisa, like Lisa Frank. Oh my god. We don't need the chain because that's not important. But Lisa Frank shoes, oh my god. I do wish they were kind of smaller now that I've seen them against the Barbie feet. But these are super cute. I'm really excited about them. They look really good. They have pink laces. So cool. All right, bag number 3. Let's go. Cut it open. Pull out the shoe box. Ooh, yeah. So exciting. Grab my X-Acto blade, cut the tape nicely. And what did we get in the inside? Let's see. Oh, another set, but these are darker. So we got the other ones, which are the purple leopard print. Now we have just the regular leopard print, which in all honesty, I kind of like the regular ones. I think the regular ones look super nice. I'm really excited about that. All right, I'm gonna put these aside. Let's see what we get for number 4. Number 4, what did we get? Time to cut you open. Yes, pull out the box. Yes, cut the tape. Yes, and open it up and see what we got. All right, ready? Oh my god, it's pink army print. Oh my god. You know the little, and they look like, they look like really sturdy shoes. Oh my goodness. You know what? I have these dolls called the MC Squared dolls. They actually have bigger feet than Barbie, and I bet these will fit her nicely. So I'm really excited about that. That is number 4. Let's do number 5. We're getting close to the end, so let's go. Number 5. Scissors. Cut. Go. This feels like a little bit of a surgery. Ooh, we got this box. I wonder if the boxes come random, because they do look a little different than each one, and I kind of like that. All right, let's open it up. Sweet. What did we receive? Ooh, rainbow. Ooh, this reminds me of like juicy fruit. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. Oh my god. These are cute. Oh, that is adorable. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's go to the last one. Last one! I've already gotten it out of the bag. Let's see what's in here. Cut this open nicely. And what did we receive? Did we get any of the ones I wanted? Oh no, but these are adorable. They're glitter. Ooh, glitter with little bitty wings on them. I didn't even see that on the paper thing. Ooh, pretty. Oh, goodness. Ah, I love the wings. Okay, everyone, these are the shoes that we got out of our 6 blind boxes. I'm really excited about them. I think they're great. The only downside, I think, is the fact that they don't fit Barbie. I cannot tell you how much that disappoints me. I think Real Littles really missed the mark when it came to that. They should have made these just slightly smaller so that they fit Barbie feet. But that's fine. I have some Blythe dolls that these would look good on. I have a MC Square doll that I think these would look good on. So that is fine. They're not a complete loss. I'm just really disappointed is all. But I am really excited that the first one I got was the ultra rare Rolly Skates one. I think that was just fantastic. I've always wanted Barbie doll skates. I cannot tell you how much I've wanted Barbie doll skates. So even if they're just a little bit big, that is fine. I'm hoping to find another doll that they would fit so that they would look really great. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any comments, are you as disappointed as I am that these don't fit Barbie? Let me know in the comments section down below. If you had these before and you know what dolls they fit, put it in the comments too. I'm sure people would love to know what dolls these little shoes fit. Otherwise, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now. Zoom. Bye bye. Zoom, 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 zoom. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. See you later. Thank you. Roller skates. Yoo.